Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of sea animal toys. Are you ready, toddlers? Do you want to learn that sea animal names? Let's start the video. The first one is this is a queen parrotfish. This is a queen parrotfish. The next one is a shark. This is a shark. This is a shark. This is octopus. O is for octopus. This is a manta ray. This is a manta ray. The next one is a whale. This is a whale. W is for whale. This is a pink fish. This is a pink fish. This is a dolphin. This is a dolphin. This is a sea turtle. S is for sea turtle. This is a seahorse. A seahorse. This is a whale. This is a whale. This is a little red fish. This is a red fish. This is a crab. This is a crab. This is a starfish. A starfish.